Module number 6, we're going to look at the strengths and weaknesses of case control and cohort studies. We're going to enhance our skills in analyzing research, compare and contrast some of the data and benchmark data that's out there, and really dive into some of those resources for data. For our module overview, you will be doing your discussion board for this module and also examining chapters 5 and 7. You'll specifically examine some of the data in the county health rankings and look at the county that you live or the county that you work in the county health rankings to kind of gauge where your population that you serve actually is as far as some of the health indicators, and it's really interesting to compare and contrast some counties as well. So just think about doing that, and just know that your final paper is due in module number 7 as well. So you'll find the link to the county health rankings right here, so you can access the data that is available. And there's information on the community guide. Again, you'll find some evidence-based resources here, and just remember, in one of our previous modules there are a number of different resources with evidence-based information in it as well that will help you for your final assignment also. And I want you to take and pay special attention to the hierarchy of evidence. Again, it will help you in discerning what is the best evidence for the particular area that you are examining. And very often it's very helpful to have different types of evidence for that strength of the body of knowledge. And sometimes there aren't case control studies, so to speak, for some particular aspects of healthcare, and that's okay. And sometimes there aren't systematic reviews available, but if we can build together a number of different types of studies, whether they would be case study, cohort study, kind of descriptive or qualitative, and bunch them all together, if they all say the same thing, that shows the value of that body of evidence also. So kind of keep a thought process as far as the levels of evidence. Again, it will help you when you're doing your literature review, when you dive into the DNP program as well. And next module, you won't have a discussion board, but in this module you do have a discussion board. So in module number 6, we're going to do something a little different this time, and we're going to again apply some of those skills that you've gained, and I want you to examine a common health claim that's out there, and it could be any number of different types of claims, and it could be something that you see on Facebook, it could be something on some other means of social media. An example is listed here, and students have done apple cider vinegar before, they've done whether chocolate is really good for you, all of those claims that are out there, and follow that evidence. And it's really interesting to see how those claims come to be and whether they're really grounded in strong evidence. So that ties back into our hierarchy of evidence and our strength of the body of knowledge. And then also please access one of the different websites here and take a look, explore the data that's available. Again, this is introducing you to, or reintroducing you maybe in some cases, to some of the valuable data that is existing that you will use as resources again as you move forward. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know.